Friends, and welcome back to Home Decor 101, your YouTube home decor channel. Now, shabby chic home decor remains popular for its soft, vintage-inspired charm that feels both cozy and timeless. And when it comes to first impressions, a shabby chic entryway really sets the perfect tone. Think distressed wood benches, antique mirrors, and pastel accents, even soft textiles that welcome guests with warmth and personality. It's a beautiful way to blend elegance with comfort right at your doorstep. And it invites people into a home that feels loved and lived in. So today, let's take a look at some of the nicest shabby chic entryways that I've seen lately. I hope you all enjoy the video. I'll see you in the next one.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is